Hello, welcome back to another video. And today they are making a chicken biryani. So for today I'll be a spectator, and they have started preparing this chicken biryani. So let me show you the items that they are going to put: onion, the masala and all, chicken,
And this is the cow
ghee, curd,
curd.
and dal. So
This is okra.
yeah, correct. And yeah, here they are going to make
The main chef.
yeah, main chef.
Brother Lanzo.
And here we are enjoying the match between Chennai Super King and Punjab, King 11 Punjab. So the run is 81 for 1. CSK scored 201 in 20 overs. So Chatija is bowling now. And yeah, they are making the rice.
And this is thunder.
Yeah, Mr. Thunder. So for tonight, we are not going to make dinner. No dinner for us today. We are gonna have this chicken biryani. So finally, we are done making this chicken biryani. So yeah, we are going to have this tonight. So look at this. And here we have this salad, raja mirza chutney. Look at this. And we have this inner chicken in it. We are gonna fry from here. How is the biryani?
Tasty.
Tasty.
Yeah.
Okay, how is the biryani taste me? Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Okay, so we have here we have this card, and this is my blade. So I have this raja mirza chutney here, chicken thigh, and then this salad, green salad.
계속이야, 걸어. 똑같이 하다, 이거. 이게 좀 있나?
Now, yes, guys, I'm done with this chicken biryani, and it's a very random vlog. But then, still, then, if you like this video, please do like and subscribe my channel, and I'll be signing off from here. So I'll see you in the next video. And yes, guys, good night. See you in the next video. Bye.